Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to use on-screen zoom on your ACER Chromebook Spin 7 1/3. First way to enable zoom is using shortcuts. Press Ctrl, Search, and M simultaneously to enable full-screen zoom and use the same combination to disable it. If you prefer docked zoom, use Ctrl, Search, and D to enable zoom in a dock at the top of your screen. You can configure both modes and settings by opening the Control Center, clicking the gear icon, then going to Accessibility, then Display and Magnification. Here you'll find settings for both full screen and docked magnifiers, which appear once you enable one of them. Since this laptop has a touchscreen, you can also enable tablet mode to use gestures for magnification. Unfold it like this to enter tablet mode, and then you can zoom in and out by pinching in or outwards. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If this helps, please subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.